Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a site called Kashkick. We're going to see whether it's actually worth joining, whether it's legit, and also stay tuned right to the very end. If Kashkick is not for you, I'm going to be running through another system you can use to scale up into a full-time income. So let's jump over to the desktop. Let's go through Kashkick, tell you all about it, and see what it's all about. Okay, so as you can see, we've come onto the Kashkick website here, and it says cash is the greatest reward. Well, we all like to get paid in cash, that's for certain. And as you can see here, it says you get paid directly to your PayPal account. So obviously you do need to have a PayPal account in order to have get paid via Kashkick. Now, the thing is, how do you get paid? What do you have to actually do? Well, as you can see here, they do surveys. You also do great deals as well. You can also watch videos and you can surf the web. And you will get paid for doing all of those small, minute tasks. Now it's very, very easy. You obviously can find and complete your mission. You watch your earnings grow in your account. And you can cash out early. Now cash out early is starting from $10, which is quite low. So it doesn't take much work before you can actually go and cash out. And you could probably earn a few dollars a month doing the Kashkick surveys, etc. It's not going to be something that's obviously going to give you a full-time income, but certainly some extra cash. But if you're looking for something that's going to give you more of an income, then stay tuned. I'm going to go through that very, very shortly. So let's just dive a little bit more into Kashkicks. We're going to go over to a site called who.is. Kashkicks have been around, like you say, for a little while. They were first registered back in 2016. So that's a good sign that they're still around, been around for a while. And if you go across to the Trustpilot as well, they've got some reviews on Trustpilot. It has 67 reviews at 3.9, which is, yeah, like I say, some are excellent. A lot of them are excellent, but they've got a few bad ones as well. The good thing is that I've noticed, obviously, they've claimed their Trustpilot profile, which does mean they're more definitely going to be a legit site. And if you have any queries, you could put a review here and they could come back and probably answer your issue. Okay, so how does it actually work? Well, obviously you're going to be using companies are going to be eager to get their deals in front of consumers like you and get your feedback. So that is what you're going to be doing a lot of the time. You're going to be getting feedback for companies, and you're going to be taking offers, and you're going to be watching videos and that sort of thing. So very, very simple task, easy to do. Like I say, they're probably not going to pay a vast amount of money, but if you're looking for something that is very simple to do and obviously you can earn a few extra dollars per month, then Kashkick is one to definitely check out. You can also check out my whole playlist on survey sites and get paid to sites on my channel as well, so don't forget to check out that as well. Now we've got some testimonials here which are always worth obviously having a look at as well. And one thing I have noticed, which is going to stop a lot of you, is if you see down the bottom here, it says this website is intended for the residents of USA only. Now, I did try and sign up to show you inside of Kashkicks, but obviously me being from the UK, I was unable to do that. And you'll find the same. So if you're not in the US, this is not going to be for you. Like I say, check out my other playlist on other paid to websites in the link above here. But all in all, Kashkick has got a good reputation. It's been around for a while and it certainly does pay out. So all you've got to do is literally just put in your email and password here to get started. Obviously read their terms of service, etc. if you want to do that before joining. And then you literally just log in and then you can go and pick whether you want to take surveys, join some great deals, watch videos and surf in the web. So very, very easy, very quick and simple to do. Now, obviously, that's Kashkick. If you wanted something a little bit more and you wanted to go start your own affiliate marketing business, which is what I do, You can come over to a site called OSS System. Now this, as you can see, has earned me a few, nearly enough a couple of $1,000 so far. All we do is, if you sign up on the link below in the description here, my #1 recommendation, that will take you through to a page and a video, and then just follow the system. Each video will tell you how to set everything up, and then once you've set everything up, you can come into your dashboard here and you can go through your boot camp. Okay, now the boot camp will open up with some free training, and it'll run through everything in the system. And what it does at the end of that boot camp, you can actually get paid $20 just for going through some of their training. And then once you've done that, all of these tabs here will all be open up, and you can then start going through the major training units, which again are free. It will tell you everything you need to know, and then you can start obviously using that training to earn money. And like I say, I've been doing it quite passively and still earned $1,762. So it's very, very easy. As long as you stay consistent, you will be able to succeed with OSS System. So make sure, if you're looking for something else, check that out. There's a video I'm going to leave at the end of this video, so check that out for a more in-depth overview of the OSS system. And it certainly is something that, and again, you could run both together. You could join Kashkick and you could join OSS system, do the two together, and you'll make even more money every single month. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, obviously smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. This is all about the system I've just spoken about. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.